So get unready with me. Firstly, we're gonna start by removing the jewelries and the rings, obviously, all the rings and everything. So I'm just gonna be getting off my rings and stuff, and then after the rings, oh, by the way, I got these rings from H&M. The size is small to extra small to small, something like that, because I have tiny hands. And then the watch is from Takealot. I got it like 2 years ago, I think. And then, oh honey, okay. Then the earrings are from Lovisa. Got them last year December from the one at Rosebank. I think they have them everywhere, but these ones I specifically bought them from the Lovisa from Rosebank Mall. And then the outfit is from Shein. The whole outfit, even the shoes that I'm wearing. I'm just gonna take off the shoes and everything, and then so I'm always I start by removing my. Wait, I need a can first. I'm coming back now. So I'm starting by off with removing the jewelry. I'm just putting them inside my jewelry box. I'll organize them after. So I just gently remove every star one by one, because I will definitely reuse this in the future. Yeah, and the stars, not the stars, but the decorations definitely moved. So I'm gonna reuse them in the future. That is why I'm not throwing them. Then I'm gonna just clean them with makeup remover and wipes, so that I get rid of the makeup from today, so that when I use them in future, it's still giving, right? They'll still work basically. Because we recycle the side, we recycle, we reuse, I'm kidding, we don't reduce, we only just like reuse. But yeah, okay, so I'm finally done removing the. That is why I have holes, like I have some space, but the star looks amazing. The star looks amazing. So I'm gonna continue removing my makeup, just gonna do the lashes and stuff, and then I'm gonna go to the eye. Oh, the eyelashes. For tonight, we're just putting everything in the jewelry box because the girl is tired. So oh, I have one thing left. It looks funny right now. But the cleansing plum really helps to melt the makeup away and everything. And then you can just use the wipes first to wipe off my hands, and then yeah. Then after I go in with Pond's. This is the portable one. I also have the big one, but I just like to use the micellar water to clean my face, like to help break whatever is remaining. I'm going to remove this. Oh, Just be careful that it doesn't get in your eye. Well, it didn't, but sometimes it does. I go in again with micellar water to remove whatever is left. And then after basically wiping off my face, I think it's stained. Wait, did it stain? No. Shall I be sure after washing my face? Let me go wash my face. Because wow, I think it's stained. And then, so after this, I'm just gonna use I usually use the cleansing scrub and then my bud foam after. Not bud foam, facial foam. So that I clean off my makeup and stuff, my face basically, so that it's clear, squeaky clean, right? Let me go do that in the bedroom because I don't want to be doing that here. Then I'll be back to show you that it didn't stain. I think it stained a little, but it didn't. Okay, I'm finally done removing all of that. So then I go in and put in my night cream basically, and then that's it. So yeah, that's it. I'm done. Well, I'm not wearing pajamas yet, but yeah, now I'm just gonna wear my pajamas and then wash my whole body and then sleep. Yep. Bye, honey. Thanks for getting unready with me. Oh, honey.